So this is Euro Yen analysis for Friday the 6th of October. This is end of day analysis using the daily chart. Now, I've just been given a signal to go short, and by looking at a chart, you can see the reason why I would be apprehensive about taking this signal short. Now, this is just a daily chart, but if you have a look at it, from pretty much April this year, we've had the low, we've had a higher low, another higher low. You could probably say this is a little slight higher low, and so on. So we've had a series of high lows. We've had strong momentum in price, from price moving from below from like below 118 all the way up to 134, which we've pulled back from a bit. So if I was expecting prices to do anything, in reality, I'll be expecting prices to go higher, waiting for a potential long signal. But we've been given a short signal, so that's what we'll do. We will act in accordance with our system. Now, let's just get levels marked on the chart. Let's just see if I bring that over here and I place that there. Come on. Let's just see. The actual height here is 132.77. 132.77 and 132.77. That's exactly where it is. And let's just see where did our close was at 32.09. Let's just make sure it's the same thing. 32.09. So it's 32.10. Let's imagine it's 32.10. Let's just bring that up to 32.10. Let's change that 32.10. Let's change that to 32.10. As you can imagine, feeling pretty tired at the moment. Change the color. Let's change the color to orange. Let's change the color on. Let's change the color there. So we got 77. And let's change the color to pink. And okay, we've changed the color to pink. Like I said, if I was going to do anything, trading these to the long side, based on the previous month's price action, past couple of days, couple of weeks, and so on. So potential downside targets. I suppose immediately you're looking at 50-period moving average. 50-period moving average. Let's just see where we are in relation to it. 50-period moving average is at 30.89. So it's pretty close, but overall, the next swing I'll be looking at for where prices could. So we've got that low there at 29.70, but the ambitious target would be 28.20. Yeah, let's just stick it there. So we're gonna stick it the green there. So you might be thinking, well, why would you stick it there? Why do you stick it on there? Let's just keep. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you might potentially want to take off half your trade or take some of the profit off the table and just stop to break even when prices reach 129.72. But my overall target is going to be down at 128.29 on the euro yen. On the euro yen, so I'm expecting it to go down. Successfully navigate 29 and go all the way down to 28.29. Now, before I wrap this one up, let's just have a look at the higher time frames for greater context. And as you can see on this higher time frame, we've got a low here. I suppose you could probably say it's a higher low there, but it's still in the. Whoa, what have I done there? It's still in the overall trend and to the upside. Strongly to the upside. We've got several months now. We've had 6 consecutive months of bullish price action with candles closing near the highs. So to simply take a short is not only a contrarian trade. It does require you to somewhat disregard all information which would likely show to the contrary what your possible expectation is. But I'm trading a strictly mechanical system, and it did say to sell the market, so it's telling you to sell the market, and the market is not in it's kind of trend, which is a bit dangerous, especially if you're using the daily charts and so on. But I'm going to stick to the plan and follow through. So yeah, on the monthly chart we are looking bullish, and went a bit of a tangent there. On the weekly chart, let's just see how we are. Maybe the weekly chart will give us more of a clue. On the weekly chart, again, it doesn't really give you a clue, really. All we see here is we've had our lows over here, we've had a higher low there, we've broke above this moving average here in black and retested from the other side. Was successfully tested, broke to the upside, had a consolidation beneath this 200 period moving average. This on the weekly time frame, kind of a bull flag form. Then we broke to the upside, and we're in a bit of a pullback at the moment. So in reality, I will be expecting prices to continue to the upside. But yeah, got to stick to the rules and trade the signals. So on the higher time frames, it is pretty much telling you to go long on dips and when buying opportunities present themselves. So Euro Yen. So Euro Yen, I've taken a short. I've highlighted levels with the stops, and yeah, that should be it. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank you.